So, I have a problem today. Welcome to a new video of the problem with this controller. I bought this case a month ago, and I just got it yesterday. And every time I press the PlayStation button, it won't turn on. I've even reset it and then hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then press the PlayStation button and it still wouldn't work. So if any of you guys have suggestions on what to do with this, because I've taken this apart and putting it back together and it still won't turn on. That's the status that it's showing right now on my TV. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but surely it shows that it's connected to something, but it's not turning on. So just let me know in the comments down below if you have a suggestion.